First, the top news headlines. Security forces foiled terrorist attack in Ukhrul town. Police bomb disposal squad neutralizes grenade. Assam Rifles apprehends active insurgent of Chin Kuki Liberation Army CKLA 19mm pistol along with 11 live rounds recovered. Kaisamthong MLA Nisikan Sapam pitches for tabling issue on inclusion of Meitei in scheduled tribe list of Indian Constitution in Parliament. And 2 women arrested with heroin worth around 2 crore 35 lakh rupees in international market at Mayangkhang village under Senapati. A very good evening. You are watching IS Primetime English News. Before we begin, IS News would like to remind our viewers to practice physical distancing and hygiene, wear masks, protect yourself and get vaccinated to ward off COVID-19. This is SURAJ Khongban Tabam giving you the news. Now the news in detail. Somsai Battalion of Assam Rifles under the aegis of IGR South in a joint operation with police bomb disposal squad foiled an attempt to target locals yesterday. Based on specific inputs from police, in the joint operation, the troops of Somsai Battalion and Ukhrul Police detected a grenade in Ukhrul town. The entire area was cordoned and traffic was diverted to prevent any loss of life and property. The police bomb disposal squad neutralized the grenade. The joint efforts from Assam Rifles and police prevented loss of life and property of innocent people, a report said. Meanwhile, as part of the security measures taken in the state, a combined team of 36 Assam Rifles and Churchandpur police station arrested a suspected active cadre of proscribed Chin Kuki Liberation Army CKLA. The accused has been identified as 46-year-old Hemkothang Baite, son of Lunkholet Baite of Vishanmul in Churchandpur district, currently staying at Kevangphai village. Acting on a tip-off about extortion activity by unknown non-Sioux groups, the team conducted frisking and checking in front of Dorcas Hall, New Lamka along Tidim Road yesterday, during which the team detained an individual on a two-wheeler. Upon searching, the team recovered one 9mm pistol along with 9 live rounds, 1 pistol magazine, 1 wallet with rupees 500 in cash, 1 voter ID card, 1 DL, 1 Aadhaar card and 1 mobile phone from his possession. The team also seized the vehicle. The arrested along with the seized items has been handed over to the Churchandpur police station for further necessary action. A case also has been registered and investigations are underway. Kaisamthong MLA Nisikan Sapam today pitched for tabling the issue on inclusion of Meitei in the scheduled tribe list of Indian Constitution, even in the Parliament too. He put forward the need for the people to strive for tabling the issue even in the Parliament too. He said the same at his residence at Sega Road, Thauda Babok Lekai during an interaction with members of Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee Manipur STDCM. The committee had stormed the MLA's residence to submit a memorandum demanding the state government to send recommendations to the Center for Inclusion of the Community in this Scheduled Tribe list at the earliest. MLA Nisikan said that the valley region covers only 10% of Manipur land while the hills cover 90%. Endorsing the movement for enlisting Meitei in the scheduled tribe category, the MLA said that the movement does not mean to subjugate other communities but to bring peace and harmony amongst all the communities in the state. He voiced concern over the status of Meitei community in the next 10 years and stressed the need to resolve the prevailing issues and do the needful at the earliest. Nishikant also assured to extend support for the cause and also sought everyone's support and cooperation.
But land is a very big issue because I think less than 10% valley areas. 90 plus the hill somewhere we are born here, son of the soil. I deserve to enjoy every bit and every square inch of this land. And there may be other issues, but this is how I feel. Aduna somehow therefore I support this movement because it's about equality. We are not trying to akoi mi atopa pull down to bunate akoi tawjage have never.
A team of Imphal Commando unit has arrested 2 women for possessing a huge quantity of contraband heroin. The arrested are 44-year-old S.K. Filachan, alias Afi, wife of S.K. Hitler of Mayankang village under Senapati police station, and 37-year-old Nanau Jet S, alias Naunoila, daughter of Ningtam Jet S of New Canal village, Yangang Pokpi in Imphal East district. Acting on a tip-off, the team, including women police led by OC Imphal East Commando Unit K.H. Henry and additional SP Operations Imphal East K.H. Hirozit under the overall supervision of SP Imphal East District P. Pradeep during a search at Mayankang village under Senapati police station, raided a residence at Mayankang village under Senapati police station around 9 a.m. yesterday, during which the team arrested the duo along with 88 swap cases containing heroin worth around 2 crore 35 lakh rupees in international market. The team also recovered 2 mobile phones and 1 Aadhaar card from them. The arrested along with the seized items have been handed over to Senapati police station for necessary legal actions. Meanwhile, security measures have been beefed in Manipur in view of the upcoming Sangai festival, slated to begin from November 21st. As part of the preventive measures, a team of Imphal West District Commando conducted house-to-house search operation at Sagolban Sapam area today. The team carried out the routine drive from 6:30 a.m. till 8:30 a.m. during which the team searched 65 houses and verified 150 individuals, including 7 persons who are on bail. However, no one was arrested. Manipur in the past 24 hours registered 2 coronavirus cases. The positivity rate was registered at 2.4%. The active cases increased to 6. 1 person was discharged in the same hours. A total of 83 samples were tested when 2 returned positive. The case tally now stands at 1,39,901. No fatality due to the virus was reported in the past 24 hours as per the latest updates from the State COVID-19 Command Control Room. The recovery rate improved to 98.46%. The death toll stands at 2,149. India added 833 new coronavirus infections in the last 24 hours, taking the total tally of COVID-19 cases to 4,46,65,643, while the number of active cases of the infection has declined to 12,553, which comprise 0.03% of the total infections. A decrease of 199 cases was recorded in the active COVID-19 cash load in a span of 24 hours. As per the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, the death toll due to the viral disease has gone up to 5,30,528 with just 8 new fatalities. Meanwhile, the number of people who have recuperated from the disease has gone up to 4,41,22,562. The country's recovery rate stands at 98.78%. Over 219.79 crore vaccine doses have been administered so far under the nationwide vaccination drive. Top 3 states contributing maximum number of COVID-19 cases to India's tally are Maharashtra, Kerala and Karnataka. Meanwhile, in the northeast India, Assam has the highest number of active cases, followed by Mizoram and Meghalaya. COVID-19 has infected over 64 crore 50,000, while more than 66 lakh 14,000 have succumbed to the dreaded coronavirus, and recoveries are above 61 crore and 95 lakh. Globally, United States of America has the highest COVID-19 cases, followed by India and France. Lions Clubs Imphal, in association with Tidim Road Athletic Union, TRAU, conducted a diabetes detection and awareness camp at TRAU office, Kwaketh Hill Bazaar, Imphal, in connection with World Diabetes Day 2022, which is observed as one activity of Lions Multiple District 322 under the theme Knockout Diabetes. People from surrounding area and women vendors of Kwaketh Hill Bazaar had diabetes tests done at the camp. Giving an awareness message, the president of Lions Club of Imphal Lion, Dr. P. Brazamani, said that diabetes has become a global epidemic and about 490 million adults are living with it and is expected to increase to 700 million by 2045. In order to prevent diabetes, one should engage in light exercise and avoid junk or ready-made packed foods and instead partake fresh food, vegetables and seasonal fruits. He continued that we must have blood sugar tests done regularly, and if found to be having diabetes, proper treatment for the same must be adopted without delay. Diabetes prevention awareness pamphlets were distributed at vendors and shopkeepers at Kwokut Hill Bazaar. State Health Society Manipur along with District Health Society Technopal kicked off state-level launching of social awareness and actions to neutralize pneumonia successfully. SANS campaign at Tuinom Community Hall in Technopal District today. World Pneumonia Day 2022 was also observed on the occasion. Speaking at the event, State Nodal Officer, Child Health, National Health Mission Dr. Sadhana Ningthaujam said that the campaign aimed to accelerate action to reduce deaths due to childhood pneumonia. She asserted that SANS campaign is rolled out in the state's union territories every year with the aim to accelerating action against childhood pneumonia by generating awareness around protect, prevent and treatment aspects of childhood pneumonia and to enhance early identification and care-seeking behaviors among parents and caregivers. She added that the campaign will be held till February 28 next year. She expressed concern over Technopal recording the highest pneumonia mortality rate. Dr. Sadhana said that the campaign will facilitate the people of the district in learning about the disease and ways to treat and prevent it. She further urged ASHA and Anganwadi workers to extend necessary assistance and cooperation to the people in fighting the disease. Chief Medical Officer Technopal Dr. Jang Kholun Tauthang, Tuinom Village Chief Thongpao Jo, District Nodal Officer Child Health Technopal Dr. K. Angdar Maring, Technopal District Program Manager Laifrakpam Janita, ASHA and Anganwadi workers and several others took part in the event.
Kungang da chatana locality da chatana asha sing sina angang pikpa mayam ama gengsen ba chatli ba laikai de kari problem lege haira moin information oina madugi mayam de collector pumatam da angang sing se ngan na detect to bangam na ba imong manung na mama mapa na understand to no ba damakta angang di spinal nara di fever nara ba lokhura ba shor hom war ba adege shor hom bagi magi chang sina yam na khap aba sidaisa khoina masidaisa doctor da ngan na yohon ba natraga na antibiotic cover to raga madu care to biba chase kida shor hombada chase manung changna hon bagi amale indwelling haina manung changchalaga madugi pibam ta tawrata di angang du oxygen wala bani aduna hospital tuna yam tuna refer to biraga anangi treatment to bata di angang sigi khoina kannaba lambi achauba mani asida natana akoigi pneumonia sigi nadana ba masigi vaccine lay immunization gi domakta tika kapage da schedule da masigi mamsu kaubidana mama mapa oiriba mayam punamakna community gi whole community mayam sina siguma mayam se facility phangi basing
Electoral Registration Officer of Haingang and Kurai Assembly Constituency has informed that preparation of photo-electoral rolls for eligible voters of the two constituencies till January 2023 has been completed. A notice from the officer informed those eligible voters who want to make any amendments to submit the same to the authorities concerned and relevant office before December 8. It also informed those who are to complete 18 years of age on 1st April, 1st July and 1st October to fill up the voter application form and submit to the authorities concerned to register as voters. Rongmei Christian Fellowship Delhi RCFD celebrated its decadal day today at St. Thomas Girls Senior Secondary School Helen Jerwood Auditorium in Mandir Marg, New Delhi. During the celebration, Evangelical Fellowship of India North East India Region Associate Secretary Reverend T.P. Mordecai spoke as the main speaker, while Rongmei Baptist Churches Council Center Church Imphal RBCC CCI Pastor Reverend Jauzian Gangmei released the decadal celebration souvenir, and St. Thomas Girls Senior Secondary School Principal Dr. Anuradha Amos attended as the special invitees. Speaking on the occasion, RCFD pastor T. Judah Pame said that Rongmei Christian Fellowship Delhi was established in 2011 under the Rongmei Christian City Mission, a mission initiative of Rongmei Baptist Churches Council and Rongmei Baptist Churches Association Nagaland. He also stated that the fellowship was established with the objective to cater spiritual needs of the Rongmei young youth people staying in Delhi and NCR, adding that RCFD also aims to preserve the Rongmei culture, language and belief while the young youths are exposed in the mainland cities of India. The same kind of mission is established at Gurugram, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Kolkata and Guwahati, concluded the RCFD pastor T. Judah Pame. The Longmai Platinum Jubilee celebration held at Longmai 2 Common Ground on the None District headquarters from November 9 to 12 concluded successfully. The program was organized by Longmai Churches Fellowship LCF under the theme The Unchanging Grace of God, Education, Law and Legislative Affairs Minister T.H. Basanta Singh and Dinganglung Gangmei MLA 54 Nungba ST Assembly Constituency Chairman HAC attended the joyous occasion as chief guest and guest of honor. The Kuidilung and Midung Gangmei, the Khungbu and Kulakpa of Longmai village graced the occasion as the functional presidents. Thuingai Maithiu Rongmei, Chairperson Manipur State Commission for Scheduled Tribes, Jose Paulin IS DC None, Poralung Kabui MCS SDO Longmai None, Dr. Janthuilung Kamei, CMO None, Badan Thaimei, Jet EO None, and other DLOs and BLOs also attended the event as special invitees. Minister Basanta said that because of the unity and integrity of the Longmai people, the Platinum Jubilee was successfully celebrated. Different types of tribes and communities are living together peacefully and they are making a colorful Manipur with different cultures and traditions because of love and unity. He emphasized on the need to continue building good relationships among different ethnic groups in Manipur. Various activities like special songs and dance presentation, traditional flute blowing, melodramas and tug-of-war were the main highlights of the closing program. Many religious leaders from different churches under RBCC and CSO leaders from None and surrounding villages also took part in the function. As a part of the Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav celebration, District Legal Services Authority Chandil conducted the National Lok Adalat today for Chandil and Technopal districts in association with Manipur State Legal Services Authority Masalsa under the aegis of National Legal Services Authority NALSA. A total of 58 bank recovery cases and 6 pre-litigation cases were listed. Out of the total cases listed, 5 bank recovery cases and 4 pre-litigation cases were taken up and disposed in the said National Lok Adalat. A total sum of rupees 21,94,100 was settled in the said program. Manipur State Sumang Lila Council has condoled the untimely demise of renowned Sumang Lila artist Channam Nilbir Mitei. A state-level condolence ceremony was held at Nilbir's residence at Kongbal Aishramrikai today. Speaking on the sidelines of the ceremony, lifetime Secretary of Manipur State Sumang Lila Council, Saugrakpam Hemanta, eulogized the Channam Nilbir Mitei for his immense efforts and contributions in uplifting and promoting Sumang Lila. He asserted that his demise will be an irreparable loss to the Sumang Lila fraternity and to the state as a whole. President of Manipur State Sumang Lila Council M. Purnima Silaima, Chairman of Sumang Lila Council Award Committee Khetri Jugindro, Lifetime President of Sumang Lila Council P.H. Gunachandra Sharma and many Sumang Lila artists members attended the ceremony. Attendees also paid floral tributes to the portrait of Nilbir. They also shared the grief of the bereaved family members. Well, it's time for a short commercial break. We'll be back with latest news and updates.
Yeah. Always wondering where to stay while traveling to Delhi? Now leave all the worry and tensions behind. Introducing Hotel Ambrosia, situated near Delhi Airport at Mahipalpur. Rooms at affordable prices, 24-hour Wi-Fi service, restaurant service. For Northeast and North Indian foods, pick and drop service available. For more detail, please contact Hotel Ambrosia, Mahipalpur, Delhi 9643504772.
Back after the break, you're watching IS Primetime English News. A 105-year-old voter, Naro Devi, cast her vote in Himachal Pradesh on Saturday in the ongoing single-phase assembly election. She was pictured exercising her franchise at polling booth number 122 in the Chura Assembly constituency located in Chamba district. Despite the Election Commission of India (ECI) providing a voluntary facility to all 80-plus voters to vote through ballot papers at their homes, Devi preferred to exercise her franchise via the electronic voting machine (EVM) at the polling station. As many as 412 candidates are in the fray for 68 assembly constituencies in the state. The BJP is looking to remain in power for a second consecutive term, while the Congress party is eyeing a comeback. Since 1982, alternative governments have ruled the state in 2017. The BJP registered a landslide victory in the Northern Hill state, winning 44 of the 68 seats, with Congress managing only 21. Meanwhile, the election campaign in Gujarat has started gaining momentum. BJP released its second list of candidates today. At the same time, Congress released its election manifesto. In the second list of the 6 candidates, there are a total of 6 candidates, including 2 women. The BJP has so far declared the names of 89 candidates. At the same time, senior Congress leader Ashok Gehlot released the party's election manifesto in Ahmedabad. Congress has made a flurry of promises in its manifesto. The party made promises like providing 10 lakh government jobs, waiving off electricity bills and loans of farmers up to 3 lakh rupees, restoring all pension system, free treatment up to 10 lakh rupees and providing gas cylinders to housewives for 500 rupees. Earlier on Thursday, the BJP had announced the first list of candidates for 160 candidates out of the 182 constituencies of the upcoming Gujarat Assembly elections. The Assembly elections are scheduled for December 1st and 5th in the state. In the first round, 89 of the total 182 Assembly seats will go to polls, and prominent political parties have declared their candidates for almost all these constituencies. The BJP has drawn up a list of star campaigners for the upcoming Gujarat Assembly elections. Topping the list is Prime Minister Narendra Modi. The other prominent names on the list include BJP National President J.P. Nadda, Union Home Minister Amit Shah, Defence Minister Rajnath Singh, Union Road Transport and Highways Minister Nitin Gadkari, and fellow Central Cabinet colleagues Smriti Irani, Dharmendra Pradhan, Mansukh Mandaviya, and Purushottam Rupala. Former Miss Universe and actress Lara Datta Bhupati is all set to undertake her maiden visit to Manipur and attend the upcoming Sangai Festival in the state. The Andas actor will walk the ramp for designer Robert Naurims as the showstopper at Peace Ground in Churchandpur district as part of the state-level Sangai Festival celebrations on November 26. After a gap of 2 years, the Sangai Festival is being planned in a big way, with a host of events organized at 13 venues across the state between November 21st till 30th this year. When an individual is prescribed steroids for treating them for a particular medical condition like acute exacerbation of asthma, breathlessness, severe skin allergies, skin reactions, or other autoimmune conditions, their glucose metabolism gets affected, where even in the absence of previous hyperglycemia, they may develop steroid-induced hyperglycemia or steroid-induced diabetes. In an interview with HT Lifestyle, Dr. Manoj Chawla, consultant diabetology at PD Hinduza Hospital and Medical Research Center in Khar shared, steroids are counter-regulatory hormones that oppose the action of insulin in the body. So use of steroids, especially larger dose and longer duration, carries the risk of new onset steroid-induced diabetes. Let's now have the sports news. In sports today, Klasa Kainau Kangkhut dropped Teka Kangkhut by 30-27 in the first semi-final match of the ongoing 65th Sir Churachan Singh KCSI CVE Memorial League Cum Knockout Kang Tournament. The tournament is organized by Manipur Kang Association at Ibudhau Pangalba Kang Sang Khundrakpam since October 2nd. Altogether, 18 teams subdivided into 6 groups are competing in the tournament. KKCO Kangkhut will face LSK Kangkhut in the second semi-final match tomorrow. A bodybuilding team of Manipur left Imphal today to participate in the 11th East Zone Senior Master and Debyang Men's Bodybuilding Sports Physique and Women's Model Physique Championship to be held in Kolkata. The championship is being held under the aegis of Indian Bodybuilders Federation. The state's men's bodybuilding team comprises Boris Peter Misau, L. Ellison, Yubraj Sonar, Saraj Jauthang, P. Medhajit and K. Mizen, while C.H. Vidyananda is men's sports model and Solila Jazo and Neha Rajkumari are women's sports models. I. Bipin is the coach and O. Azir is the team manager. TSFA Topsified dropped MSC Malom by 6-0 in a league match of the ongoing 5th SH Mani Sharma Memorial 3rd Division Football League today. The match played at YWC Malom Playground. Ataur Rahman and CH Anna Suhan scored 1 goal each at 14th and 55th minutes respectively, while I. Suzumani netted 2 goals at 32nd and 56th minutes respectively, and Salatur Rahman added another 2 goals at 68 and 69 minutes respectively. In another league match, WAFA Wangoi defeated KALYC Chazing Karam by 3-0. For the winners, CH Dremzet netted all 3 winning goals at 24th, 77th and 88th minutes respectively. A total of 16 groups subdivided into 2 groups are competing in the league tournament organized by Imphal West District Football Association since October 14. MISWC Mayang Imphal will clash with PTCC Patsoi in the first league match, while HNSC Haurebi will face IUFC Sekmai in the second league match tomorrow. VFC Singzame beat UVSA Lilong Chajing by 1-0 in a match of the ongoing Dr. M. Manauton Singh and M. Chandrasakhi Devi Memorial Football Championship. In the match played at Lamlong Thongkhong Artificial Turf Ground today, VFC Singzamai's player Mohammad Ashra Shah scored the winning goal at 36th minute. In another match, Flam Yaiskol dropped Sunday FC Lairik Yengbam Leikai by 3-0. For the winners, K. Joy Rongmei netted 2 goals at 9th and 26th minutes. K. Lalvulian added another at 47 minutes of the match. Altogether, 8 teams subdivided into 2 groups are competing in the tournament organized by Sunday Football Club Lairik Yengbam Leikai since October 29. IEVSA Khongman will face FC Imphal in the first match, while VSAI Thangmeiban will lock horns with TBSFA Taubung Khok in the second match tomorrow. Clinching 6 gold medals in swimming events on the 3rd day of the second Northeast Olympic Games 2022 helped Assam take the lead in the medals tally. On November 11, the opening day of the swimming competition, 7 gold medals were up for grabs at Crinoline Swimming Pool. Manipur took home 1 lone gold. Manipur won 4 silver and 2 bronze medals, while Assam also won 3 silver and 2 bronze. Tripura won the remaining 3 bronze medals. Ningombam Jason Meitei of Manipur won the men's 50-meter breaststroke event. He was followed by Moirangthem Thoba Meitei of Manipur and Mriganga Gogoi of Assam. In the women's 100-meter backstroke, Krishnali Dole of Assam won the gold medal. Laitonjam Jessica Chenu of Manipur got silver, and Andriza Rani Chetia of Assam won the bronze. Assam won the 4x50 men's freestyle relay as well, with Manipur coming in second and Tripura coming in third. In boxing, the 2022 Thailand Open champion duo of Sumit and Govind Kumar Sahani both suffered defeats in their semi-final bouts at secure bronze at 2022 ASBC Asian Elite Boxing Championship in Amman, Jordan today. Later tonight, 6-time Asian medalist Siva Thapa in 63.5 kg category, Mohammad Husamuddin in 57 kg category, and Narendra in 92 kg will all take to the ring to secure their berth in the final. 5 Indian women pugilists, including 2020 Tokyo Olympics bronze medalist Loblina Borgohain in 75 kg and Parbin in 63 kg, will be fighting for gold in the final of the tournament tomorrow. The other women boxers competing in the final will be Alfia Pathan in 81 kg, Sawiti in 81 kg, and Minakshi in 52 kg. Sawiti will face Gulsaya Yerzin of Kazakhstan in the final. Before we wind up, let's have a quick look at the top news headlines once again. Security forces foil terrorist attack in Ukril town. Police bomb disposal squad neutralizes grenade. Assam Rifles apprehends active insurgent of Chin Kuki Liberation Army CKLA 19mm pistol along with 11 live rounds recovered. Kaisamthong MLA Nisikan Sapam pitches for tabling issue on inclusion of Meitei in scheduled tribe list of Indian Constitution in Parliament. And 2 women arrested with heroin worth around 2 crore 35 lakh rupees in international market at Mayankhang village under Senapati. Well, that's all for now. Keep watching IS News and good night.